everybody, I'm Hernandez, and today we're going to be making a paper Cempasúchil flower. It's part of the En Casa con la Plaza series. Now let's get started. The marigold flower is also known as Cempasúchil. It's a Nahua term which translates to 20 flowers. It's a native to the Americas and was used by the Aztecs as a symbol which represented the Aztec goddess of death, Mictlantecutli. Since ancient Mesoamerican times, the Cempasúchil flower is primarily used during the Mexican holiday Día de Muertos to adorn graves, tombstones, and altares. They come in various colors, including red, orange, and yellow, and their aromatic fragrances offer therapeutic tranquility to its surroundings. This paper flower version is a creative and amusing alternative to the real marigold. It makes a great gift and it may be displayed in your altar. Here are some of the materials you will need. You will need tissue paper, either red, orange, or yellow. You will need a ruler. You will need some scissors. And you will need a Florist Stem Wire. Also, any small gauge wire should work. Step 1. Stack your 8 pieces of tissue paper and measure into 4 inches square. 4 inches on one side, 4 inches on the other side. Then you're going to go ahead and cut your tissue paper. So much easier when it's stacked. You only have to do a few cuts rather than cutting every single one individually. This is a lot more simpler. Make sure they're stacked up evenly. You're gonna fold one half, and then you're gonna fold this other half as well. Once you're done with that, you're gonna go ahead and make another half here and another half here. So essentially, you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4 folds per half. So I'm gonna go ahead and fold the first half here. Then I'm going to go back, fold this half, and then I'm going to end it by folding the last half until it looks like something like this, like an accordion. You're going to go ahead and fold the other half as well, same way you folded the first half. We start by folding in half. Make sure your paper's stacked up evenly. Half and another half, and I'm just going to go ahead and do the accordion, finish off the accordion. Make sure you crease and fold real tight, and you're going to end up with accordion looking something like this. Once you're done folding your accordion, you're gonna go ahead and fold in half. Once you fold in half, you're gonna go ahead and cut a triangular shape at the top. Cut up a triangular shape at the top. Remember, you want to use the bottom of your scissors where the sharpest cuts are usually made. Sometimes it gets a little hard to cut. Just be careful. You may have to go once or twice. Once you cut out the tips, you're going to go ahead and take your Florist Stem Wire and twine the top. So I lay it approximately about 1 inch. Then I fold you're going to be left with approximately a 1/4 inch for you to be able to twine it to the stem. Make sure it's centered. There you have it. So the next step, you're going to open up your tissue paper, and sheet by sheet, you're going to go ahead and fluff off the tissue paper. So take the first sheet up and fluff it from the very first edge to the other side. And slowly but surely, we'll start having that naturalistic look to it. You have to be very gentle, otherwise the tissue paper will start ripping. Very gentle and be very patient. I'm almost done with my first half. So these are 8 sheets of tissue paper. Alright, so you see how that first half is coming along? And you're going to move on with the second half. Very gently, start lifting up one by one. Alright, once you get to this stage, we want to go ahead and just adjust, fix, and pull some of the tissue petals outward. Just give it a very fluffy and naturalistic look to it. You can even go ahead and cup it with your hand. Cempasúchil paper flower is good to go. And there you have it, everyone. A simple method of creating a Cempasúchil paper flower. If you enjoyed this video, visit our website at www.lapca.org for more En Casa con la Plaza episodes. You could also visit our Facebook, Instagram, and social media websites at LA Plaza LA. Thank you, everyone.